My dear students, competitive chemistry welcomes you. All competitive exams focus chemistry. The oxide of nitrogen isoelectronic with carbon dioxide is the oxide of nitrogen. Here four oxides were given: nitric oxide NO, nitrogen trioxide N2O3, NO2 plus, nitrogen dioxide plus N2. First of all, you are expected to know the number of electrons in carbon dioxide. You see, carbon dioxide, number of electrons, carbon dioxide, carbon atomic number 6, number of electrons 6, oxygen atomic number 8, 2 oxygens are there, 8 plus 8, carbon 6 atomic number 6 plus 2 O's are there, oxygen atomic number 8 plus 8, total if you add 22, okay, you go through it. NO, nitrogen atomic number 7, oxygen 8, 7 plus 8, 15, NO 15, N2, 7 plus 7, 14, plus O3, 8 into 3, 24, so N2, 14 plus 24, 14 plus 24, 38, N2O3 38, NO2 plus N7, O2 16, 7 plus 16, 23, plus means remove one electron, so 22, N2, 7 plus N 14, 22 is the right answer. Why? Because carbon dioxide 22 electrons, at the same time isoelectronic means same number of electrons, has same number of electrons. Nitrogen has 7 electrons and oxygen has 8 electrons, and NO2 contains 23 electrons. Since NO2 has a unit positive charge, so remove one electron, so it should contain 22 electrons and is isoelectronic with CO2. Among four options, NO2 plus is the right answer. Why? NO2, actually 23 electrons are there. Plus means remove one electron, 22. NO2 plus 22 electrons. At the same time, carbon dioxide also 22 electrons. In case of NO, 15, wrong answer. In case of N2O3, 38, wrong answer. In case of N2, 14, wrong answer. You see, for kind reference, NO, 7 plus 8, 15, N2O3, 14, N plus 3 into O, 24, 38, wrong answer. NO2 plus N7, O2, 16, plus means remove one electron, 22, N2, 14, N2 wrong, this is wrong, NO2 plus is isoelectronic with carbon dioxide, 22 electrons are there, NO2 plus also 22 electrons are there, both having same number of electrons, then I can call it isoelectronic species. So NO2 plus is isoelectronic with the carbon dioxide is the right answer. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe for more and more competitive chemistry videos.